हेलो फ्रेंड्स। नाउ आज कुछ स्क्वायर ऑफ नंबर और मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू बिग नंबर्स है ना को ट्रिकली सॉल्व करना सीखेंगे। ओके, सो हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व है ना द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर विद इन 30 सेकेंड। हाउ कैन यू मल्टीप्लाई टू बिग नंबर विद इन 30 सेकेंड। So today we learn. So firstly, I am squaring of those number having unit digit is 5. So let me consider है ना the unit digit the square of those number unit digit have 5. So first we consider, so let me consider 15 square. So what is the answer of 15 square? So first the method is one. The first you square of the unit digits of 5, so that it will come 5 square is 25. So after these digits increase by 1 and multiply this number. So if you increase by 1, so it will what 2. So 2 into 1 it will come to 25. Similarly 25 square. So again the square of 5 it will come 25. And not 2 is increased by 1, so it will what 3. So after that 3 into 2 is 6. Simplify, and similarly you can 45 square also 45 square by trick method है ना. So by trickly, so 5 square how much 25, and now 4 is increased by 1, so 5 है ना. 4 को 1 से increase कर देंगे, so 5 4 जा 20, so it will come 2025. Similarly you can also square of 55 square. Similarly you can also 75 square. Similarly you can also 115 square. So how 5 square is है ना. 5 square is what, so you can simply 105 also square, very easy. So 5 square how much 25. So now 10 increase by 1, so how much 1 1 and 1 1 and 10, so 110. So this is the what trick of a square of number that unit digit has 5. Okay, so this is the trick है ना. This is the trick of a square of number having unit digit of 5. Okay, so now another, let अब मैं वो नंबर कंसीडर करता हूँ जिन्हें की यूनिट डिजिट 5 नहीं है. दैट मीन्स लेट एनी नंबर. सो लेट मान लो लेट 23 होल स्क्वायर. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड, व्हाट इज द ट्रिक? सो सिंपली यू फॉलो दिस लॉ. सो वी कंसीडर ए बी स्क्वायर. अच्छा, यू नो वेरी वेल नो a प्लस बी को होल स्क्वायर इज व्हाट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. So you follow this law. Similarly here, just to here you write what b square. Okay, here 2ab, here a square. Okay, so let me consider an example. This is let 23 square. So you consider this one is the a, और आप इसे b समझो, इसे आप a समझो, इसे b समझो. So here the b square, that means here b के जगह पे क्या है 3, so it will put 3 square, that means what 3 square, that means 9. So now after that 2ab, so here what 2ab, so a is 2, b is 3, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, so 2 and carry 1. So after that a square 2 square, that means 4 plus 1, that means carry, so it will 5 to 9. Similarly you can take the another number, आप किसी और नंबर का भी स्क्वायर है ना. यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला यू कैन डू इजीली विद इन 30 सेकेंड. जैसे मैं ले लेता हूँ जैसे 66 का होल स्क्वायर. सो वट एवर इस वी कंसिडर ए एंड बी. सो नाउ बी स्क्वायर 6 36, सो कैरी 3. सो आफ्टर दिस 6 36, 36 2 72 और 3 75, सो कैरी 7. सो आफ्टर दिस 6 को होल स्क्वायर 36 एंड 7. Okay, again 6 को होल स्क्वायर 36, so carry 3, and after this 6 are 36 2 just 36 2 just 72 और 3 75, so carry 7. 6 are 36, 6 are 36 are 7, how much, that is 43. So you can easily find the square of the number by using this method ab square. Okay, you can also you take like 65 square. So when you see the unit digit 5, so don't follow this law and you can easily find by the previous method. जैसे मैंने बताया था पहले वाले मेथड वो यूज कर लेना है ना. So 5 square how much 25, 5 square 25, and after that what 6 increase by 1, 7 6 are 42. So this answer of this square is 4225. Similarly So there are many square you can find, follow these laws of 43 square. So again you consider what a b, so b square, that will what 3 square 9, and 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, you know, 24 4 4 and carry 2, so 4 4 is 16, this one 4 4 is 16, 16 to 18. So you can, you know, easily find the square of the number, है ना, with the follow of this rule. आप इस रूल को फॉलो करके किसी भी स्क्वायर का नंबर इजीली से फाइंड कर सकते हो. ओके, सो आफ्टर देन नाउ we are going to discuss multiplication of two number. So multiplication of two number, multiplication of two number. Okay, so multiplication of two number. So first we consider the two numbers near of 100. So near of 100 मतलब कि 100 के करीब दो तरह के नंबर हो सकते हैं, 100 से ज़्यादा, दैट मीन्स ग्रेटर देन 100 and or less than 100. Okay, so less than 100. So first we are going to those number, वैसा नंबर जो लेस देन 100 है उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिकली कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. सो वी कंसीडर लेट 98 97. सो हाउ कैन यू मल्टीप्लाई विद इन 30 सेकेंड. सो okay, so first you subtract 100 minus 98. So 100 minus 98 it will give a 2. Again 100 minus 97 it will give what 03. So first you multiply 03 or 02, that will what 06. So after then either subtract 98 minus 03 और subtract 97 minus 02. आप या तो इसको इससे घटाओ या तो इससे घटाओ, दोनों केस में क्या आएगा 95. So it will be 9506. Similarly if you multiply 96 and 97, again you subtract 100 minus 96, so it will what 4. Again 100 minus 97 it will what 03. So after then multiply this one, 4 3 is 12. So after then subtract any number and any cross number. So 97 minus 4 it will what 93. So it's a multiplication of these two number and you will find within a 30 second using this method. Okay, so you can do also 98 late 99. So again 100 minus 98 it will come 02. 99 minus 100, so 100 minus 99 is 01. So 2 into 1 2. So we will take two digits, so 02. After then and subtract this to this number or this to this number, same number it will come. So 98 minus 01, that means it will work 9702. So after दोनों का multiply करने के बाद number है ना, this it will come. Okay, so now we will take another number, another two numbers which is greater than 100. So then what is the tricks? You can multiply those two numbers, है ना, those have greater than 100. जो वो नंबर मैं ले रहा हूँ जो 100 से बड़ा है उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैं कैसे करूँगा, बाई ट्रिकली. सो लेट 105, another one 103. So what can I do? So again we subtract 200, how it will get 05. Again 103 minus 100, so it's about 03. Now multiply this one, 5 3 is 15, so it will 15. So now after then what you do, you add by cross, है ना, any cross, either this one or this one. So 103 plus 5 or 105 plus 3, so it will come what 108. So multiplication of these two number it will come this one, है ना. मतलब within of 30 second you can solve the any two digit and any two numbers greater than 100 by using this method. मतलब आप इस मेथड से 100 से बड़ा कोई भी दो नंबर हो आप इजीली मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. लेट मान लो 109, again 105. So what is when you subtract 109 minus 100, so it will what 9. 105 minus 100 is 05. So after multiplication 9 5 is 45. So and you add any other number, this one or this number, it will come same. So 114. So multiplication of these two number, okay, by trically it will come 445. So these method you will use in competition. So you will easily multiply within a 30 second. Okay, so banking exam हो या railway के exam, you can take a benefit anywhere. Okay, so and again let and we consider and a multiplication of two number that is near of 1000. So near of 1000, near of 1000 मतलब है ना, that means less than 1000 और greater than 1000. So firstly मैं पहले वो नंबर चूज करता हूँ जो 1000 से नीचे है. So we consider again 998, let consider 997. So how can you multiply within a 30 second? How? So 1000 minus, again here subtract 1000 minus 1998. So it will come what? 02. Again 1000 minus 1997. It will what? 03. So it will what? 03. That means what? 06. So but here the 3 digits. So you will put here, you also place 3 digit value. So here 006. After that you can subtract either this one or this one. Same any one of. सो आप चाहे इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके लिखो चाहे इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके लिखो, सेम नंबर यहाँ पे आएगा. सो यहाँ पे व्हाट यू कैन राइट 995. सो 99506. सो यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई है ना बिग 3 डिजिट नंबर इन विद इन अ 30 सेकेंड. यू कैन सी है ना, आप देख सकते हो है ना कि 997 ओके 996 है ना. अगर इफ यू अप्लाई अ जनरल मेथड देन हार्डली you will take how minute 2 minutes or 1 approx 2 minutes you will take the time, but by trickery you can solve easily within a 30 second. Again देखो see 1000 minus 997 it will work 03 and 04. Again what 4 3 is 12, so it is a 3 digit you can write in 3 digit form. So 0 1 2. Again you subtract here, so 993. Either you subtract this one, same number it will come. So multiplication of these two big number in है ना, you can solve easily because before 30 second or before 20 second approx. Okay, so and again the near the 1000 number, that is the greater than 1000. So greater than 1000. So let we consider greater than 1000 number. Let consider 1005 1006. So what to do? So similarly what? Again subtract by 1000, so it will come 5. So now it will come 6. So 6 5 is 30. So you write 3 digit form. So what? 030. So now after then you will add any cross, either this number to this number. आप ये दो नंबर को ऐड करो या तो ये दो नंबर को ऐड करो. So 1005 plus 6 it will come what? 1011. So the multiplication of these two big number automatically will become this number be within a 20 second. So we consider later 1010, late 1005. So what? It's a when subtract by 1000. आप 1000 से इसको subtract करोगे ये कितना आएगा? 10 आएगा. 1000 से इसको subtract करो कितना आएगा? 5 आएगा. So after then this will multiply, so 50. So you write in the 3 digit form 050. After then you can add these two number, add these two numbers. So what? 1015. So you can simplify within a 30 second or 20 second any two large number. Okay, similarly you can find the multiplication of near of 10,000 usually by this method. So let we consider near of 10,000. So near of 10,000 being maybe less than, first we consider less than 10,000. So less than 10,000 be what? We consider let 9998. Let another number we consider 9996. So when you जब आप इसको general method use करो, that means you take the lot of time, but when you will use the trick method, then you can easily simplify of this number. Or then you subtract by 10,000, it will become what? 02. When you subtract with 10,000, you will become what? 04. So how much it will come? So 4 to the 8. So what? It's a 8, but you write in form. How many digits? It's a 4 digits. So you write 0008. Now you subtract either this one or this one. So it will what? 9994. Or you can subtract this number to this number. It will become this one. So you will multiply within a 10 second. है ना? That's a large number you are multiply. Or within 2 second. Okay. So you can again you will take the another two large number. You can also you can consider another number. Let 9997. Okay, 9999. सो इट्स अ मल्टीप्लाई जनरल मेथड. जब आप इसको जनरल मेथड से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे देन इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड you have take the lot of time. Okay, so then you will use the method है ना, trick method, so you can easily simplify. How? You subtract 10,000 in 9997, then it will become what? 03. And similarly what? 10,000 subtract to 999, it will become 01. So you apply the trick है ना, previously already told. So what? 0301, how much? So 0301, 3 1 3, so 3. So there is a 4 digit, you will put also 4 digits, so 000. After then what? You will subtract any number, either these two number or this number, cross है ना, एनी क्रॉस सेक्शन नंबर, मतलब आप इसको इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. ओके, सो ये राइट हियर 999, हियर इज व्हाट 936, मतलब 9 में से 3 गया 6, सो इट विल व्हाट मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस टू नंबर, इट विल बिकम दिस वन. सो यू कैन है ना, आप इजीली बड़े बड़े नंबर आप ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, यूज द ट्रिक है ना, एंड you will use then any competitive examination. So now and we will take what greater than 10,000. So we will consider greater than 10,000 late. So 1010. Okay, so now another number we will consider 005. So how can multiply? We will use and with use of the trick. So obviously when you subtract 10,000, अब 10,000 से subtract करो, it will become what 10. When you subtract is 10,005, so it will what 5. So it will 10 5 is 50. So it's about 50. So we will what 4 digit number. We will digit 4 digit number. So we'll 00. After then you will add any cross section number. So it will what 10015. So it will what multiplication of these two large number. So है ना, we simplify and two large number है ना with the use of trick. Similarly, okay, so another we take the large number multiply with 999. So any number multiply with 99. Okay, can we easily solve? Let me consider 999. Another number is 687. So how can you usually by the trick? So आप इसको कैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो ट्रिक से? तो सिंपली यू डिक्रीज दिस नंबर बाय 1. सो यू फर्स्ट यू राइट 686. आफ्टर देन आप इस नंबर को इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आप यहाँ लिख दो, तो 963 981 963. सो आंसर है ना मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस नंबर, इट विल दिस वन. ओके, सो आंसर है ना मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस नंबर, आंसर ऑफ दिस वन. ओके, सिमिलरली भी कंसीडर करता हूँ मैं 998 इंटू लेट 6786. सो व्हाट टू डू? सिमिलरली है ना, इस नंबर को 1 से घटाना है. आई विल राइट हियर 785. आफ्टर दिस 785 को इससे आपको घटा के यहाँ लिख देना है. सो 8 में से 5 गया 3, 9 में से 8 गया 1, 9 में से 7 गया 2. सो इट्स अबाउट 2. सो द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस है ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस नंबर रिजल्ट भी दिस वन. Okay, so if let again 999 and let 78675. So how can you multiply? Just same thing, just you decrease by 1, 7874, and this number subtract by this number, and you write here, and you will get the answer of result of this multiplication. So 9 में से 4 गया 5, 9 में से 7 गया 2, 9 में से 8 गया 1, 9 7 गया 2. So and it is the answer of the multiplication of these two number. Similarly, you can multiply. Let we consider 999 let 78. So how can you multiply? So obviously first you will consider 3 digit number. Okay, because it is a 3 digit number, so you will make first 3 digit number, this one just 078. So now subtract by the what 1. So you can write by 077, and now this number subtract by this number, and you will write here. So 972 9 में से 0 गया 9. That means it will the answer of multiplication of these two number. So you can easily multiply any है ना 99 number. Let you multiply with 8. How can you multiply in easy methods? So just you put what there are 3 digits, so you will make a 3 digit. Again you write decrease by 1, so 007, and this number subtract to this number, and you will get the answer of multiplication of this number. So 972 9 में से 0 गया 9, 9 में से 9 गया 0. So this is the what multiplication of this number. So you will use the multiplication Okay, follow this rule. You can easily multiply the large to large number. Okay, any two large number. Just let's consider another. Let you consider let 9999, later 782. So how can you multiply this one? So it's a 4 digits. So first you will make it 4 digits. So you है ना, after then you will decrease by 1, है ना. आप इसके एक से घटा के लिखो, that means 0781. After that you will subtract this number to this number, you will get the multiplication of this number. So 9 में से 1 गया 8, 9 में से 8 गया 1, 9 से 2 and 9 से 0 गया 0. This is the multiplication and it is the result of these two multiplication. Okay, so next class I will discuss more tricks. If you subscribe my channel, I will motivate and you will motivate me. Then I will make a more video for government examination, multiplication tree and many tricks. I have many tricks. So I will give a video lecture, next video lecture, if you will